And we're back. Sorry about that. I had technical difficulties. So, I'm gonna try to slip that right there on. Like that. Get the other bearing. I'm gonna put it on as well. Install it back. I need to take it off and put it on straight, man. There we go. Yeah, it won't go on but straight, so. I gotta give me a tripod. I left it up in the garage, so I'm here working at the house. So, after putting that together, I'm gonna put the shaft back in. Alright. And I'm not gonna replace this. Simply because there's nothing wrong with it, man. Just have an extra one. I'm gonna use the other ones for extras. So I'm putting the shaft back together.
Why it ain't making noise?
Because I'm recording.
It's so quiet here.
Alright, after you do that, you're gonna I'm doing them in out of order. I'm doing right about one another, so everything's sit flush. You want to make sure everything sits flush and closes. Tighten it up, make sure everything's all good and snug. And after that, finish tighten her up. Now we're good and rebuilt. Quarter axle. New shafts in them. I think one of them too tight or something. Yeah, that's what I thought. Make sure all of them snugged up right before you tighten them all the way down. So I just tried to tighten one down all the way and it threw my whole quarter off. Alright, that's cool, man. Have quarter rebuilt. Slide that bearing back in there.